guys, welcome back again to my channel. Nagbabalik naman ng coordinator, Mr. Felmar Flores. Again guys, if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment down below. Today guys, we will be having reviews and reaction. We will be reviewing guys sa isang performer dito sa The Voice Generation. No? For more information, The Voice Generation is composed of mini groups, which is labanan dito ay more on vocals. Siyempre, meron din sila mga instruments na ginagamit kung meron man. At the same time, the unity of the group din. No? Isa din yun sa mga hinahanap ng mga hurado dito na sila Billy Crawford, we have Julian San Jose, Chito Miranda, and Estelle ng SB19. This is my first time reviewing din guys as a performer to The Voice Generation because this is a request from our subscribers. Yes po, ito na po yung inyong sinusubaybayan na reviews and reaction. And personally, I'm very excited kasi nga first time ko siya. At the same time, makakanood na naman tayo ng isang performance na request ng ating mga subscribers. Again guys, let's do this reviews and reaction. Okay. Okay. Can't help falling in love. Wow. The vocal, wow. The emotion. Like it. Love that. The harmony. Ang ganda. Oh my God. Okay, bibitinin ko muna kayo guys ha, kasi first performer pa lang, no, parang nakita ko na talaga yung intensity ng performance. At the same time, the vocal, no, yung hinahanap natin nandito sa kanila. And also the blending. Di ba ang ganda, the harmony. Grabe, iba-iba yung kanilang baon, iba-iba yung kanilang vocalization. Pero pag nagsama-sama sila guys, burning. Wow! Woo! Oh my goodness! Ang galing nun, ang ganda. Napasayaw si Billy Crawford, oh. To be honest, totoo naman talaga nag-incline yung kanilang vocalization. At the same time, yung kanilang harmony talaga, ang sarap sa tenga. Totoo yung sinasabi niya, ni Chito Miranda, yung heavenly, yung boses nila, at the same time, the emotions, saka yung the storyteller style is there. So, agree ako doon sa sinabi ni Chito Miranda. To be honest, totoo rin yung sinabi ni Billy Crawford na wag maging or wag magkampante kasi maraming magagaling din talaga, no, na sumabak or sumali dito sa The Voice Generation at marami ding mga pambato yung bawat coaches. Diba? So, ano guys, no, subaybayan natin yung The Voice Generation dito sa GMA7. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung reviews and reaction natin ngayong araw to. Once again, this is Felmar Flores. I'm doing a reaction video with Night.